What's up guys, welcome back to our channel 4 Geek Side. This is the last part of our Attack on Titan Season 3 series. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. They specifically target Shiganshina district as that will also allow Eren to find his father's creepy weird basement from all that time ago. All seems to be going well as Eren begins to harden the outer wall. However, Reiner appears and transforms into the Armored Titan before the Beast Titan appears and surrounds the other. The Beast Titan begins to play Beastball baseball by crushing up large boulders and bowling them towards Erwin and its fleet. Meanwhile, Eren battles it out with Reiner and thanks to help from Hanji and Mikasa, he is victorious. That is until Bertholdt appears in flying barrel and transforms into the Colossal Titan. Meanwhile, on the other side of the wall, Mikasa and Hanji manage to take out Reiner again, while Armin goes big brain and devises a plan to sap Bertholdt's strength by forcing him into using his steam abilities. Sadly, this does involve Armin becoming a human lump of coal, although it does provide time for Eren to seal out the wall for good and sneak up behind Bertholdt to apply the lethal blow. Once everyone is regrouped, Levi appears with the serum Kenny gave him and Eren begs him to inject Armin, which will give him Titan healing powers and stop him from dying. This decision is made incredibly difficult as a surviving scout returned with Commander Erwin's body. Who does Levi save? Armin, who has a huge brain, or Erwin, who has a huge brain? How will he ever decide? Ribre is the answer. Eren and Mikasa kind of force Levi's hand and he chooses to save Armin. Armin eats Bertholdt and gains the power of Colossal Titan, and remaining survivors then head to Eren's ruined house and open up his dad's basement. Within the basement, they find 3 books which inform the main characters of life outside the walls, explaining the situation with Eldians and Marley that alluded to earlier. As it turns out, Eren's father grows up in one of the few Eldians family to remain on the mainland. After Karl Fritz fled to paradise, after strict persecution from the people of Marley and the death of his sister, Eren's dad Grisha joined an underground association called the Eldians Restoration Movement. Here he finds out that Marley plans to invade paradise. Thanks to his abundance of natural resources, he also falls in love with a woman named Dina Fritz, a direct heir to the royal family, and they have a son named Zeke. Grisha hatches a plan to send his son Zeke within the walls to steal the founding Titan's power from the Reese family. But Zeke notes out of this plan and instead turns his parent in, along with the rest of the Eldians Restoration Movement. They are then taken to paradise and turns into Titan one by one, which presumably is where all the Titans have been coming from all these years. Just as Grisha is about to be turned, he is saved by an undercover Eldian named Kruger. Posing as a Marleyan officer, Kruger reveals himself to be a variation known as the Attack Titan, passing down his powers to Grisha, who watches to infiltrate the wall and steal the founding Titan's power himself. This explains how Eren ended up in the whole situation with Rod Reis and Historia, as he inherited the Attack Titan and founding Titan when he ate his dad. Historia decided to release all of this newfound information to the public, and over the course of next 6 months or so, they cleared the land of Titans using Hanji's log technique. Season 3 ends with the Scout Regiment discovering the dogs used to create Titans. In Grisha's backstory for the first time, they set their eyes on sea as they contemplate what to do about the impending threat of the Marleyan invasion. End of the story so far.